What's the deal? It's her, isn't it? Yeah, she snores a lot. I'm with you, brother. I'm with you. I cannot get to sleep when old Loudnose over here's doing her thing. Am I right? It was like, I thought there was a chainsaw inside. There's not, it's her.
Don't let your annoying mattress keep you from getting a good night's sleep. Take back your comfort at Mattress Warehouse.
MattressWarehouseUtah.com